Hello all, welcome to our channel. This video, how to making shorts, Instagram, Facebook reels, what is the particular size and how to make the video. First of all, record the video on your mobile version will be portrait mode and landscape mode will be here. If we go to the Word documentation, any Word document, we can go to layout. There is a two option will be there, portrait and landscape. Landscape will be like this and portrait will be like this. So most of the video in a mobile phone is a portrait mode. So I'm selecting one of the website name is called iamfit.in this website. In particular website, how we can making the videos. What are the classes are providing? Weight management, muscle building, personal training, so group training and cardio, athletics and martial arts, kickboxing. So anything when will be open particular options are here. These are all options. How we can create the video and upload by the social media platforms. The platform will be maybe Facebook, maybe Instagram, maybe YouTube. There's a one and only one size. The size name is called 1080 by 1920 pixel. So what are the pixel you selected? The pixel will be here. So 1080 by 1000 already we selected here now a lot of posts. This is a posting purpose. This video will be very some length will be here. But particular size for shorts, Instagram, Reels, what are those posting will be here. Everything, what are the posting this many, this all belongs to for particular size will be here. So how to make it? First of all, select will be here, Instagram Reel size, 1080 by 1920 pixel. First of all, video making purpose, you need design the some images will be here. So this content will be first of all prepare it. So what are the content you have? Copy it. Plan to design the video. So any design videos on your Instagram profile, what are the profile here? That is clearly understanding for your Facebook, Instagram, anything, any platforms. That is the most preference. When coming to here, we can create will be like this, or we can go for this one. This continue video will be playing will be here. Next option like this, or we can go with this option will be here. Continue video will be here. Number of options are here. So how we can select this particular post will be here. That is called simple technique we followed. Go to this. First of all, the photo will be here. What are the gym photos you have? Select by the gym photos. And here I am selecting will be here in a particular post. So we can call transparent images. So after this, I'm adding will be text. Text will be what are the your complete codes will be here that will be given by the particular option. So that is the purpose. What are the image you will be design or videos? Very careful to hear. Sir, okay, everything is fine. My major question is called if you are uploading any kind of images or videos, how we can add the music? Any free music are available here. That is called go to YouTube channel. There is the option name is called YouTube Studio. After creating for YouTube channel, there is a call YouTube Studio. Here, when coming to scroll down will be here. There is called free audio library. This is completely free version. How much free will be here? See this. By using the audio library, you agree with the your audio library terms and condition will be here. So this is the when adding for any music, you can generate mood, artist, and this name you are compulsory mentioned by your particular option will be mandatory field. So that is regarding what are the free music you selected. Keep it and select free music and utilize their names into your YouTube description part. So first of all, I'm adding design will be here. In design time, you can add your particular logos and everything will be particular important will be adding the position. So after this, how many videos you have? That all videos you can keep it and will be upload this. Go to upload file where your exactly file will be stored. Go to this particular files, select it. So automatically will be selected. The videos are here. First video, second video, third video, fourth video, and fifth one. We can go with the like, share, subscriber video will be here. So each video 21 seconds are there, 70 seconds are. So what is the best second I can add will be here. So up to we can add the videos will be 9 seconds are your best time. After this, why? Because we don't exceed your video more than 50 seconds. So that is the major factor. Suppose the video will be too much of bore, we can go with the 8 minutes also will be fine. So we can go with the 8 minutes option. After this, in Canva, what is the benefit is called? We can play with the original music and your music also will be comfortable here. So what are the music in audio will be added here. So just I'm adding one music will be here. What are the our premium music? Existing music, we can mute it. So when you click here, this is the that video original music that will be star will be here. After this, check it out. One thing we have to add by here a particular post that is called image. Click this. Sorry. After this is called easily we identified your particular subscription and logo icon, everything will be in your, that is a watermark purpose. Nobody can copyright video purpose. So that is the main thing. After that, you can download the video and click for download this video. It is a 6 pages video. So can I download the 4 pages video like this? Like we can change will be one or two, three, and the final one. Anything. Welcome and this will be changing for a lot of options are here. That you can parallelly we can follow it and make it your videos for YouTube purpose or Instagram purpose, or we can uploading for Facebook reel purpose. Any reel don't exceed by the 59 seconds. The less than minute you can follow the each and every reel option. But same video you can upload by the your story option is a different method we followed by the in a particular option. So compulsory, what are the parameters you will be follow here? That all will be use proper design and proper second will be follow it and upload by the in a particular YouTube channel, Instagram, and your particular Facebook option. The size will be 1080 by 1920 pixel. You will be select by the three social media networks. So this will be allocated by the Twitter and LinkedIn. Yes, the size will be also applicable. Twitter and LinkedIn also will be there. There will be pay for video type, but most viewers will be reaching business purpose. This a short will be help to grow your business. That will be seem like how we can post will be reaching to the customers. We can go with the particular option. See here. Reel will be most of the reach. Reel will be increase the particular audience. So this is a future. We can add will be here and increase the particular audience. So who are interested gym in a particular weight loss and weight gaining, please contact this website. This definitely will support you weight lossing program purpose. If any further question, please contact my channel and definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.